Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to leave your comment. So let's get started. Today we're preparing something amazing. Today we're preparing meat pakora, and we have our ingredients here. We have the green gram flour, we have meat, we have onions, we have carrots, we have capsicum, we have pepper, we have baking powder, we have salt, we have coriander leaves, we have water. So first of all, start by adding all the ingredients. But first start by adding salt to your favorable amount, then add the baking powder, a half a spoon. Then you can mix the following ingredients plus the meat. The procedure is the same as my previous video, which is down in the description box, the pakora video. So enjoy. And before I forget, I fried my meat, which is mixed meat, but you can use also boiled meat. And by the way, if you're still watching my video till now and you have not hit that subscribe button, please do so. Turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. After mixing everything and you're satisfied with your mixture, so start adding water. But again, don't add a lot of water and don't add little water. Just add water and make sure your mixture is thick. And this is how your mixture should be. Leave it for about 20 minutes, then you can start deep frying it. And yes, you can use a spoon or you can use your hands. This time I used my hands. And also consider subscribing. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you've really enjoyed the video. So ensure they have that golden color so that you can remove them. And we have our amazing meat pakoras here. So consider subscribing, consider give this video a thumbs up, consider leaving your comment, and till next time, thank you for your time. Bye.